And Leslie also has a special guest.
That's right, John. We have a special guest with us here today who's going to help us demonstrate how to make these fruit kabobs. This is Leslie's granddaughter, Brooke.
Yes.
And Brooke, you are going to be a 5th grader?
Yes.
And what school do you go to?
Norris.
So she goes to Norris, and you have an older sister, is that right?
Yes.
And a younger brother.
Yes.
Have they been on before?
They have both been on. Brooke was the only one that hadn't made it yet, and so this is her chance.
Well, she's a little cutie here. Thank you for being here today. All right. So Leslie, these
Okay.
are fun. And are these one of your favorites? You like this when your grandma
bet
makes
she
them?
does.
Okay.
What we are doing, she is putting together a fruit kebab using strawberries, mandarin orange, pineapple, and grapes. And she can just
Keep layering.
put those on the skewers while we mix up a fruit dip. Now this is a half an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and some honey, and you'll have this recipe.
Yes, I put it on our Facebook page already, so thank you for that.
So I believe that's a half a cup of honey.
So I should start stirring that?
Yep, you can start stirring that.
Okay.
And 1 6-ounce container of vanilla flavored yogurt, and
Let me use this one?
it's going to need a smaller spoon than that one.
Yeah, let me try this one. So this any kind of vanilla yogurt, right?
Yeah, the recipe called for Yoplait, but I don't think it makes a difference.
And this is a light. Do you suggest the light, or it could be whatever yogurt you want?
I think it can be whatever you want, but this is reduced fat cream cheese and the light yogurt.
Oh, okay.
Just to keep it a little bit lighter to go with the fruit. And if you use the reduced fat cream cheese, it doesn't get as stiff as the reduced fat does, so that makes a difference. So you get that. You want to whisk on that, or?
I'll just do that. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, then what's next?
And next is some pineapple, and what you do is you get a can of either the large chunk or ring pineapple. You take half of them and use it for that. You cut them into pieces.
Put that in here.
And then you chop up the other part and you put that in the dip.
Great, and this is going to be our dip.
Yes.
Okay, great. So then you just put some here. How would you do it? Serve it.
Pour some in that, or spoon some into there.
Okay.
And she's got her little skewers.
There. And then she would lay that
Working
here
on
with
that.
it.
Then you could just set this in the middle, or that. There you go.
Cute.
And that is something that's fun and easy. Kids like to help you with. Great for picnics.
Okay, I'm just going to taste it here quick. See what it tastes like. That's a good dip.
It really is.
And you can whisk it to make it smoother. and
Sure
creamy.
can, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Leslie, and thank you, lady. You did a nice job. All right, John, we'll send it back to you.